Hi guys, welcome to the episode 1 of trading Euro USD because I have a strategy that I backtested a little while ago and I think that it's working magically. So let's backtest it together on this channel and we're gonna see the trades every day. What I'm gonna take on Euro USD and let's see where it goes. We're gonna journal it together and let's do it. So let's hop on to the analysis of Euro USD, what's happening. So let's see on the daily time frame. We came on the daily time frame and we saw that the previous Friday's high has been taken by the candle that opened today. So if there would be a reversal, we're gonna hop on to the lower time frame and see is there any break of structure, is there any reversal patterns that we see done. So let's see on a 4 hour time frame what's happening over here. So 4 hour time frame, there's an important thing that's happening is that um if you see this candle that opened just 1 hour ago, it has a little wick, a very small wick. So when a candle has a no wick, it's probably come down. Mostly, probably 90% it comes down to make a wick. So we expect a little wick from this candle. If not, maybe the next candle is gonna complete this range. So and also it made a fair value gap right over here, which means if it didn't came down, we're gonna see the move up while tapping this fair value gap. So this is the scenario for our time frame. Let's see on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we saw that the fair value gap right over here from here to here, it already tapped on this area and it is giving the move in upward direction, right? So we can see a little bullishness in the price action right now until we see the reversal. So yeah, that's the scenario of it in the on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, let's see on the 15 minutes time frame. Again, it's bullishness. It's bullish. We are not seeing any reversal patterns right now. And yep, one thing is that we're gonna probably see a retracement downwards. Let's see, maybe on the let's see on maybe the 15 minutes time frame if we see any retracement to this area. Why I said retracement, because if we see, these is the liquidity zone that is untapped right now. These are the equal highs, I would say, equal I'm sorry, equal lows right now. And as we know that wherever we see the equal lows, wherever we see the equal highs, they are the important liquidity zones that sh- tapped every time, that taps every time. And we see the market comes down like this, takes these stop losses or equal lows like this, and then give us the reversal pattern, right? So this is the scenario for now. And if we see more, like the last 1 hour candle, on the basis of the last 1 hour candle, we're gonna predict, or we can see the probability of the next candle where it's gonna go. So let's see, let's mark the previous 1 hour candle like this, and right over here like this, right? So we're gonna come on 5 minutes time frame and just watch the price how it behaves on a 5 minutes time frame until 11:30. So basically our kill zone of London session of Euro USD happens in 1 hour to 11:30 to 12:30, and the second we take in 12:30 to 1:30 maximum. And yeah, and that after that we let our trade run. So let's see what happens with Euro USD. So as you can see that it's been 11:36 and the market has been pumped heavily from this area and it took the highs, but it's still in the it didn't close back and it's giving some kind of continuation move. We will see the reason that why it came above, why it pumped it heavily. See, when the market moves fast, it often goes to take something, either it's stop losses, liquidity, and let's see what is there the reason. So when I see on the left hand side, I saw nothing, but then I move more forward. I see this area right now. See, this area, if you see, this is a some kind of trend line liquidity, and I always tell you that trend line liquidity is something that is generated by the market and it always get liquidated. So it's the only purpose of the liquidity that it makes the self liquidity and it gets liquidated by the market after some time. So as you can see that here it came and it was in August 25th and now it's been liquidated right over here. See, as you can see, it took the highs of this, took this high, and maybe it can take this or maybe this and move more higher. But I'm expecting that it can give a reversal little far from here or here somewhere in between, and we're gonna see the break of structure and a reversal pattern will wait for. Let's see how the market moves. Most probably I think that we're gonna get the entry in 12:30 to 1:30, but still we're gonna wait for our entry and look forward for it. It's a wonderful move. We so you can use the fair value gap for the entry purposes. Basically, I use the fair value gap in 5 minutes to make a short or long trade. So let's see if we get some kind of entry over in the reversal direction. Let's wait. So it's just probably 1 minute to 11:30. Let's see if the market can take the highs of 1 hour candle and close back within the range. So we're gonna plan the short then if it came down without tapping the high, we're gonna see that this level right over here gets liquidated and then we can plan for a long trade. So as you can see that we just came down and we saw a little like fair value gap that was bearish. And let's see if we can see the market structure shift and we can enter on that most probably. Let's see how this candle closes. If this candle closes good, we're good then. If it filled the fair value gap and closed above, then it could be a risky trade. So according to the analysis, we most probably gonna take a trade on this level right over here, like this. We're gonna put 20 around 20 pips SL and 20 pips TP, right? Let's see how it goes. Most probably we can have an SL. That's not an issue. It can go till here maybe. Let's see. See, technically, you have to see the sweep. You have to see a bearish fair value gap. Third, you have to see the break of structure to confirm that it's going into your direction. And yep, here you here we didn't saw any displacement or the break of structure, but we purely took on the basis of the probability. That was, if it broke the highs, we're gonna take to the sell side. If we broke the lows, we're gonna take it to the buy side. So let's see the probability of the setup. That's all, because we we had a reason behind this trade, was the liquidity uh, that we saw here. And most probably I told you that the liquidity can, um here, right here, this could be taken out right here and can see the move further down. If not, then most probably it's gonna be continuation. And yeah, so we're gonna run this trade, and let's see that what happens with this. And this position, if you are not following my Discord, maybe I'm gonna put it in my Discord channel, and or on my Instagram stories. Let's see if we hit the TP or SL. And let me know in the comment section that do you like the analysis of the video, do you like the live trading, and I'll come up with that. Also, subscribe the channel to see daily analysis of Euro USD and see through what are we up to, how the trades are going, and yeah, see you tomorrow. And yeah, see you tomorrow.